I just opened this box and I want to say thank you to Baker's Signature for sending me these premium stainless steel baking sheets. They look wonderful. Thank you. So now I can tell everyone all about them. I just opened the package and look what I got. 3 baking sheets, stainless steel, mirror finish. Look at that finish. It's like a mirror. So I'm going to be unwrapping these, and next up is put cookies in the oven to bake. This mirror finish is supposed to be non-stick. There's no coating on it. It's just the mirror finish. So I'm anxious to see if the cookies slide around like in the other videos I've seen. These baking sheets are 9 inches, 12 inches, and 16 inches. 3 sizes. And they're food grade steel. They're shatterproof. They're lightweight and easy to clean. And they have smooth rolled edges. Look at the edge. So you're not going to get caught on a corner. And the corners will be easier to clean. They're thick gauge and sturdy construction. They sound wonderful, don't they? So I will be back. I was going to leave the pan without any coating on it, but Baker's Signature included this little card of use tips. And one thing that they said is to prevent sticking, lightly grease the pan with oil or butter before use to ensure effortless food release. I got scared, so I've sprayed half of the pan so I can experiment. I can have half the pan not coated and half the pan coated, and we'll see which lets the cookies slide. So I've just mixed up some oatmeal cookies using the Quaker Oats recipe. I've made these for years, and I put walnuts in them and dates, that's not in the recipe. I just add that. So this is going to be an interesting experiment. I'm so happy with these pans already. Even if they did stick, I would be happy. My oven is preheated, so these are going into the oven, and I will be back when I take them out. The cookies are done. So I'm taking them out of the oven. Let me move the camera so you can see them. And now let's see which half slides better. These at the back had nothing on the pan. Well, that's pretty good. They're too hot to hold the pan good. I'll do this. Now these had better baking spray. Well, I can't tell the difference. Isn't that something? These two ran together, but that won't hurt the taste. Okay. That's the experiment. Let me get my oven mitts back on. Well, they slide a little bit. I think they would have to cool first, but I'm very pleased anyway, even if it didn't slide all over the place. You might like to get a set of these and try them for yourself.